Warning. This work is fiction and should be treated like one. This is rated mild.
The Foundation for Viruses and the Yellow House have interrupted all TV stations for an emergency conference with the world leaders on a new virus called Q1.2.2.1ty or pandemonium. Symptoms of pandemonium include constant cough, cannot taste and constant throwing up. At this time it's unknown what Q12.2.21ty can do in its phases, and a conference will be issued for later today at 7 o'clock. Thank you for understanding and stay tuned to local radio and TV stations for upcoming news and info on Q12.2.21ty.
Wait, a virus? Panic! Panic! Panic!
The Foundation for Viruses and the Yellow House have interrupted all TV stations for a public safety announcement. Currently Lewis Central has 200,000 people running around and have not been diagnosed with Q12.2.21ty and are healthy but are causing panic due to this new virus, and so Lewis Guard protection are on the way to stop the panic and test for the virus on people who are panicking about a virus due to a large crowd. If you or someone you know is at Lewis Central, leave now for safety from the crowd of panickers. In case you cannot leave, board all doors, windows and entry spots for you and the safety of others in the stores around you. If you are a person with symptoms of Q12.21ty, leave where you are now for safety. Thank you for understanding and stay tuned to local radio and TV stations for upcoming news and info on Q12.2.21ty.
Okay, they know it's stopped. It's time to go home and stay safe. Excuse me, this is an announcement. All of you are under testing requirements for doing a dumb, stupid, and idiotic protest around Lewis Central. Everyone at Lewis Central was tested for Q12.21ty and it all turned out negative, leading another EAS.
The Foundation for Viruses and the Yellow House have interrupted all TV stations for a public safety abandonment. All people at Lewis Central testing negative for Q12.21ty, and it is now safe to come outside the shops. If you still have symptoms of Q12.21ty, then go to the testing area near Marky's Yeezy store. The Foundation for Viruses and the Yellow House have interrupted all TV stations for a quarantine alert. If you live or are at Lewis Central, you are not allowed to leave because 25 people tested positive after one of the EAS abandonments. Thank you for understanding and stay tuned to local radio and TV stations for upcoming news and info on Q12.2.21ty.
In other words, the new virus shuts down Lewis Central, a popular town, for all. It's said that a conference will happen in 1 minute from now. So the conference begins now. Hello everyone. As you know me, I'm the mayor of Lewis Island, and recently a new virus has emerged out of the shadows. It was called Q12 yeah, these documents are hard to read. Can you get me some new ones? Wait, you're reading from a document? No. Okay, you know what? Don't need the documents. Anyways, so recently we've had to quarantine a place on Lewis Island called Lewis Central because of this new virus emerging. We've recently heard about that information too. Would you like to provide more information on this virus? Currently, at this time, there is no information I can provide. If you can provide no information about this virus, then what are the symptoms of this virus? Well, the symptoms of this virus are excessive coughing, and a new symptom was emerging called blood-fraught eyes. And also excessive throwing up. Ew, that sounds disgusting. Oh, yeah. So, is there anything we can do? I recommend we start a quarantine effective immediately. And make sure everyone stays safe. Everyone in favour, say aye. Aye! Full quarantine? No! Dee-doo-doo-doo. Dee-doo-doo-doo. Dee-dee-dee-doo. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
A global lockdown was issued by the United World Government. A virus named Pandemonium or Q1221 it's unknown of the phases this virus has, so all people have been sent a Q1221 testing kit effective immediately. Thank you for your cooperation in this dark time for all.
Part 2, coming soon.